Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is TJ's Life, and life has been lifing. So today I'm coming back. I'm trying to get back into this budget again. I know I've been gone for a while, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the month of August. Never mind what happened over the past few months. So I have a lot of my things written down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these pages out right here, and we're going to do some highlighting on my calendar. Because like I said, I wrote some things down. Yeah, life been life, and okay. So I have my highlighters here so I can do my color coding. And then, yeah, we're going to get started here. Just want to make sure I have you guys in frame. Okay. Alright, so we're going to start with purple. Purple is for just expenses in general, not the fixed expenses, not the auto pays, just the expenses in general. So we're going to start here on the first, and I'm going to highlight rent. Oh, I need to let me see. Okay, and I'll get to that part in a second. Okay, so rent, purple. Okay, so I know I get paid Wednesday, and I have to pay the gas bill and the electric bill. They are past due, so I'm going to pay those both at the same time. Gas and electric. 26. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. And then next, what is next? Okay, I think everything else is pretty much, no, I gotta pay fuel. $50. Alright. And then next we're going to move on to auto pays. So auto pays. Okay, let's see. Amazon. I have to turn my paper this way. I'm sorry, guys. I'll straighten it back up here in a second. Yeah, I am on vacation this week, so I figured let me go ahead and record a video because it's been a while. I'm going to do all the things I could think of offhand for the month. So, do all my highlighting right now so I can see what I'm working with. All the highlighting. A lot of auto pays. Cool. Am I supposed to stay on this page? Stamps.com, Max, Google One. Ooh, that's crooked. Amazon Prime. I still got to figure this out because I'm getting charged for Amazon twice. I understand the Amazon Prime, that's for like for videos and movies and shows, but I don't know what the other is that for me to use when I order stuff from Amazon. I'm guessing they charge for that. I don't know. I'm confused about that part. So I'm going to have to figure that out before the fall hits. I'm going to try to do it before next month. And then this. Let's see, dish. I know I got another one. Dish, my dish bill. My dish bill comes out, I think, on this date. And I know it should be like $2.19 and some change. I'll fill that part in later. That. And then I'm gonna go ahead and highlight some of the spending that I've done this month. So let's see here. Went to the grocery store on Saturday. Then eating out is blue. So I ordered pizza on Saturday. Didn't feel like cooking. Plus it was late. I took a very long nap. Very long nap. Then let's see. Miscellaneous. Oops. Miscellaneous here. Miscellaneous. That was miscellaneous spending there. I had to catch a lift to work on Friday, so that was unbudgeted. And I know I'm going to have a copay. I'm going to consider that an expense. I'm going to have to go to the doctor on the 18th and have to pay a copay. I want to say it's 30, but I'm not for sure. So I'll just have to wait till I get there. And so that's what this month dashboard looks like so far. Okay, so I said gas and electric do I'm paying it that day. Okay, I have that written here. So fixed expenses coming up. I get paid on the 6th. So I have Cash App here. That's debt. I know I have an afterpay payment also, but I don't know how much that is. I'm gonna put that in debt. Okay. So the 9th is my phone bill. That's a fixed expense. And it is $75.21. $75.21, and that's due 8/9. And then, so I won't get paid again until the 20th, so I'm gonna have to put in these other couple of things. So, let's see, fuel is a fixed expense. Paying that on the 6th, $50. Got the gas and electric here, and then 8/12. Yep, 8/12. That's auto pay, Clip Champ, and that's $11.99. And then TubeBuddy, I have two TubeBuddies, so that's going to be on the 12th, the first one, or the second one. Yeah, second one was on the 12th. $7.50, and then Google on the 13th, it's $2.12. Okay, and then I don't know where to put the copay. Okay, it's variable, so I'm gonna put copay here. I'm gonna budget 30, but I'm not sure. Let me put doctor appointment. Stamps.com. Auto pay. On the 19th, 1173, and then max. Also on the 19th, and that's 1814, and that's what I have so far. As far as my budget go, I really need to get back on track. I'm selling Mary Kay beauty products, so I'm a consultant right now. So I'm gonna have to set a budget for myself of at least 300. So I'm just gonna make a note. Mary Kay budget. $300. And I have a it's kind of like a vendor's event coming up this Saturday, so hopefully I can sell some things that day, and then that'll help with some of the bills since after I got paid and what I spent, and I can put it back into my business. So I'm hoping that I can make at least the $300 off my Mary Kay business. And I'm still selling Avon, but that really doesn't move as much, but I'm finding more people interested in that, so I'm hoping that I can earn some extra income from that too. And that some of whatever I profit off of my Mary Kay is also going to go into my savings, so I can just start adding more money to my savings, because I'm going to start the cash envelopes again. So this month has to be the month with Christmas coming around, so I'm going to put I'll budget starting off my Christmas budget with $25, and then I'll put transportation. I'm going to put 40 for that. 40 for that. And then I'm going to try my payday challenge again. So that means the date that I get paid is how much I'm going to put in towards that. So it's going to be $6. So payday challenge. $6. I feel like I need to go back to using saving cash again. Start pulling my money out the bank and start saving it. It's an overwhelming feeling that I just feel like I need to do that, and I'm going to start that again this month. If I don't do it this day, it's definitely going to be on the 20th. And so far, this is what I have. I'm hoping to come back to you guys with more videos. I'm going to do the saving my coins challenge. Believe me, I have more coins than this. I have a cup full of change. But we're going to start that again. I'm just going to find myself some tracking sheets for that. And we're going to get that back started again. And I'm going to try to start saving for a car. I don't know when it will be, and to be honest with you guys, I do not know how to drive, but I'm willing to pay for driving lessons. So I'm gonna have to go to driving school first. The cost of that is $500. So I'm gonna need 500. Well, I'm gonna need $250, and my boyfriend is gonna pay the other $250. I know, he could be teaching me how to drive, but he has just purchased a Jeep Wrangler Willie, and that thing is huge. I do not want to learn how to drive in that. Not learning, not at all. I want my own car. So $250 for the driving school, $300 for the Mary Kay budget, and then whatever other expenses that I have for the month, I will be back in. I'm gonna start coming back in and start doing my weekly check-ins. So it may not be weekly, but it may be every other week. I haven't decided yet. If I don't come back, because it's a lot well, no. If I start doing the weekly check-ins again, it's going to be on Sundays. I record the videos on Sundays and then make sure they're posted before Monday. So this is all that I have today. I'm glad to be back. Hopefully I can stay consistent with this, because we got to get this budget together, honey. We got to get it together. I got a credit card payment I got to make. So let me put that down too. I got a credit card. The minimum payment is $10. So you see, I'm writing it down. Minimum. $10 minimum. But I want to try and pay it off before Black Friday gets here. So I'm going to be working on that too. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Like I said, when I do check in, it may be either this Sunday on the 10th coming up, or it may be the 24th. I haven't decided yet. But until then, bye-bye.